If you have been in the fitness or dieting space for any amount of time, you have probably heard buzz around the ketogenic diet and supposedly what wonders it can do for your body. But what exactly is the keto diet? What does it encompass? Is it difficult? What foods can you eat? And what health benefits will it have for you? Digesting all this information about the ketogenic diet can be difficult and confusing. And there's so much to learn about. That's why we at HealthxTips are here to lend you a helping hand. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of the ketogenic diet and what it involves. We'll see what foods you can eat and how often you have meals and snacks. Then we'll discuss what benefits the ketogenic diet can bring you, why you might want to switch to this diet, and what the downsides are. But before we begin, remember to click the subscribe button so you never miss out another helpful video like this that will allow you to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. And if you enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up too. Now, let's check out together everything you need to know about the keto diet. To start with, most of you might wonder, what is the keto diet? In actual, the ketogenic diet is often described as a low carbohydrate but higher fat and protein diet. In simple terms, this means hugely cutting down on your consumption of carb-rich foods and replacing them with meat and fish to increase your protein and fat consumption. Contrary to what you might expect, consuming fat in this way actually leads to fantastic weight loss. When you minimize your intake of carbohydrates and eat fish instead, your body shifts into a state of ketosis. That's where the name keto comes from, and burns your fat faster. This is because carbs are an almost immediate energy source, and fat is a long-term energy storage substance. When you fuel yourself on fat instead of carbs, your body has to release energy in a different way. Not by breaking down carbohydrates, but by converting fat to sugar, which can be used for energy. To do this, your body has to enter a state of ketosis to break down the fats, and you usually end up losing more fat than you consume, thereby leading to weight loss. Your whole body, running on fat instead of carbs, goes into overdrive and helps you burn away fat. It's really effective. The next question I would like to address is, what foods does the keto diet involve? As we mentioned earlier, the keto diet requires you to massively cut down on your carbohydrate intake. This means cutting out carb-rich foods, starchy food items like bread, potatoes, rice, baked goods, etc. It's pretty straightforward. Instead of these foods, you replace them with meat and protein-rich foods, fresh vegetables, natural fats, and oils like those found in natural butter. There are actually a lot of food that you can eat on a ketogenic diet. Many people seem to believe that going on a keto diet means starving yourself and eating raw meat like a savage. Newsflash, that's entirely wrong. It's just really simple, means cutting out carb-rich foods from a diet. So feel free to eat eggs, peppers, avocado, fish, red meat, butter, vegetables, and meat options. You should try to eat natural, organic meat over processed meat if it's practical for you and if you can afford it. There are also many great, delicious, and easy recipes for keto diet meals which you can find online and in typical cookbooks. And they can help you stay satisfied and full even when you're just starting out with your keto diet. Well, keto diet has really been the talk of the town. You may wonder at this point, why is the keto diet beneficial for our health? Unlike what you might think, eating a lot of fat and protein won't turn you into a ravenous savage hyena. The keto diet is actually highly recommended by dietitians, fitness experts, and keto dieters all around the world, for weight loss primarily, but also a heap of other health benefits which can help you live a healthy, brighter, and more fulfilling life, which is what we're all about at HealthxTips. This low-carb diet has been well proven in recent years through scientific studies to prevent many different kinds of diseases. Even if you think you eat enough meat and vegetables in your day to stay healthy, you can still reap the benefits of the keto diet. Studies have shown that taking a ketogenic diet for a long enough period of time and with the right foods every day and regularly, you can significantly lower your risk of heart disease and reduce your blood cholesterol to a stable level. The keto diet was popularized in the 70s, and since then, we've been gaining lots more knowledge about why it's so good for you. Keto diets can have neuroprotective effects, and some research has even shown that it can prevent seizures in children and even adults. It's also been demonstrated that the keto diet can be helpful for people with diabetes and can keep your blood sugar levels in check. So, when is the keto diet ideal and when shouldn't you use it? Okay, we know that the ketogenic diet has a lot of brilliant benefits for your health. If you're an adult with generally stable health and want to lose weight at a decent rate per week, then choosing a keto diet is probably a good idea. If you keep a reasonable straight diet and meal plan well, and you don't end up slipping back into carb-rich foods, then the rewards should be promising. Trust me, the keto diet has already helped millions of people around the world lose a lot of weight effectively. But as a matter of fact, the keto diet probably isn't a long-term solution, and keeping too straight a diet can cause some negative health effects too. These can include lowered blood pressure, constipation, and in some terrible reverse cases, it can possibly even increase your risk of heart disease. Therefore, it's extremely important that you keep a stable keto diet and do not do it for too long. Otherwise, the build-up effects could start having negative knock-ons. Before taking any sort of diet, you should perform some online research from multiple reputable sources to figure out if it's good for you. Talking and consulting with your medical expert and professional is also of paramount importance. Always remember to do your own research, talk to people, talk to your doctor or dietitian before making any changes to your diet and lifestyle in order to be safe. Make educated decisions so that you can get the best diet and the best health benefits for yourself. We hope this video have helped you to learn more about the keto diet. At HealthxTips, we aimed at providing you with well-researched, comprehensive health information to help you stay healthy. We bring you with more health tips and advice every week. If you don't want to miss out our informational and useful health videos, remember to click the subscribe button below. If you have enjoyed the video, do give it a like too, and feel free to share with us your experiences or comments regarding the keto diet below in the comment section. Do join us on our health journey and let's spread health awareness together. Your health, your life, your priority. Thanks for watching. Cheers!